I promised I was going to do a video for you guys. Y'all see my new do? New do, who that? New do, who you? Okay. So, y'all, I got me some new hair. It's a lace front. I have baby hairs on this one. I did not lay the baby hairs for this one this morning. I just got back down the road from seeing my guy. It's about 5 o'clock my time. I left this morning about, what time did we leave? We left at, let me make sure this camera isn't blurry. Oh, I just messed it up more, guys. Hold on, let me fix it. Much better. My youngest is right here. You see him? Y'all see him? Can I zoom in with this? I don't think I can zoom in, no. But he's sleeping. He had a long day. Both of them were up last night at like, I don't know, I put my youngest down to bed with me at 11. So when I went to sleep at 11, my baby right here, he went to sleep at 11. But my 6-year-old has been on this new kick these last few days that he's not going to bed when he's supposed to. So when we go lay down at 11, he stays up all night. And being that he's up all night long, he sleeps all day. So mind you, you know that I work during the day. So while I'm working, he's with my aunt. My kids are with my aunt right now during the summertime situation. My children are with my aunt. And she's letting him sleep all day. So he sleeps from morning time till 5 o'clock. So naturally, when he gets home with me, guess what he's doing? He's up all night long. So my son has been up all night. So last night he was up all night long, running the house amok. I was so mad. Like, I was trying to get my sleep because, mind you, I've worked all day. I hadn't had any rest. My 3-year-old was down, so I was like, we're good. My 6-year-old stay up and play video games because I can't force him to go to sleep. I can lay him down all I want and say, go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep. It's not going to happen, especially if he slept all day. He sits up all night. So last night, like 3 o'clock, 3 something in the morning, I remember looking at my phone. He was whispering beside me, and I was wondering who he was whispering to. And I look, and he's whispering in his brother's ear, come on, bruh, come on, bruh. Come on, bruh, wake up. Trying to wake his brother up so he could run the house with him. And I'm like, oh, heck no. Leave him alone. He's sleeping good. Let him be. So, like, literally all night long, I was up and down all night long checking him, making sure he was not getting into anything, making sure he was okay, you know. Because I'm like one of those type of parents that if my son is up and I know before I go to sleep, my subconscious self will not let me sleep good. Like, I can't sleep. Like, unless I lay my eyes on my son and both of my sons, and I see that, but they're both sound asleep, I cannot really sleep. So I'm up and down all night long, peeping in on them, checking in on them. At one point, this little boy took and moved. Let me tell y'all what he did. He moved his Xbox from his room to my room. So I'm thinking, I hear TV playing, I hear video games going, and you know, him in there, and I can hear him in my chair, the video game chair. My chair creaks a little bit. It's a chair that we all sit in it. We use it. It's a multi-purpose chair. You know how you got those chair with the wheels? It's for everything. We got us a multi-purpose chair, so I hear that multi-purpose chair creaking back and forth, and I can hear it. So, you know, I'm in my sleep like thinking, what's that noise? You know, we're sleeping. I cut the TV off before I went to sleep. There's no way in the world that's TV playing. Crack my eyes open. He has moved his Xbox into my room and his little chair into my room, and he's sitting up 4 o'clock in the morning playing video games. So right now he's knocked out. I don't know if y'all can see him. Oh, he's laying down. You guys, please excuse my son. He was in his seat, buckled in. We just came from the jail, but I guess he has slithered his way out. I'm just now noticing that. So, y'all, when I tell y'all, he slithered his way out the seat. But yeah, so when I tell y'all that this little boy has been up all night, he's been up all night. So naturally in the visit, he's screaming, he's crying. The visit was chaotic. He's screaming, he's crying, he wants to go, he's tired, he's exhausted. Him and his dad and I are just looking at him like, what in the world? Like, his daddy is just like, man, you need to go home and go to sleep. But, you guys, I am going to say this. Being that mommy is off on the weekend, guess what happens when we get home? When we hit town, we've got to go to the grocery store. We've got to clean the house, and mommy's got to clean out her car. So when we get back to town, it's stuff to do. So I'm waking that butt up. You're going to wake that butt up because guess what, honey? You're not going to have me up all night long playing video games, running and galloping through my house. When I say he was galloping through the house, all I heard was boom, the feet piddle paddling. And I'm just like, are you serious? Is that what I think that is? galloping. He was galloping through the house, y'all. So we're not going for that. No, sir. No, sir. Go ahead and wake it up. Wake it up. Wake it up. Because we almost back at home in our town, and we got a grocery shop, and I'm not carrying anybody at all. I barely want to carry myself, let alone carry you, little fellers. Hey, bug. Say hey, mama. Bye. Come here, bud. This one, he like I told y'all, he been up all night. Look. Ray, say hi to the vlog, Ray. He said no. Go, you can go through this one. Oh yeah. Look at him. Look. You want me to pick you up? A little bit. All right, get in. Put your legs in. Okay. All right, now you gotta put your foot in. Okay. Let me just show y'all how nasty the bathrooms is here in my city. This is not even my city. This is the country bathroom I come to. Look at this. And this is like boo-boo paper, boo-boo bag, and a boo-boo tissue, and a tampon bag. Like, what the fuck? And this one is just out of order. Can't nobody use it. Okay, you gonna get your toy, Bubba. Where's toy at? Sink clogged up. Give it to him. Let's go. This is nasty, you guys. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Okay, y'all, so that concludes my cooking video for today. Y'all seen I made the lemon pepper wings, I made the chicken and broccoli rice, I made the garlic bread, I made corn on the cob, cabbage, and then I did the seafood. It's called po' boy. It has shrimp, crab meat, mushrooms, onions, and lots of good seasoning. And I made my Alfredo sauce to go on top of it, so that's gonna be so yummy. So yeah, y'all, I did that. I'm tired. I'm so tired, and I have not even eaten any yet. I was eating the whole time and, testing the taste as I was going, so I'm a little full from doing that. But you guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, share my videos, just share it, because it gets me out there. It gets more people to be able to see me. And I really appreciate all of the support that I've gotten so far. You guys are great. And I'm very tired, if y'all can't tell. But make sure you subscribe for sure. And definitely like this video up. And comment down below. Let me know what y'all ate for Sunday dinner today. Because I had a fun time making my dinner while my kids were running around screaming. Hopefully I get this video up tonight. I'm going to try my best to get it up by at least 10 o'clock at least.